Hello, welcome to Great Garden Channel. Have you ever dreamed of growing tomato plants full of fruit or healthy chili pepper plants right at home? However, after a period of care, many plants begin to grow slowly, leaves turn yellow, flowering decreases, or the fruits become small and uneven. The main reason usually comes from the soil gradually losing nutrients or the plants not receiving proper nourishment. In today's video, I will share with you an extremely simple natural nutrient recipe, using only familiar ingredients available in your kitchen. This method will help support stronger roots, encourage more stable plant growth, and stimulate tomatoes and chili peppers to produce more flowers and more fruits. If you are new to gardening, do not forget to subscribe to Great Garden so you will not miss more simple yet effective plant care tips. And now, let us get started. For tomatoes. Does your family often eat bananas? This is a banana that I left in the kitchen for quite a long time. The inside has become overripe, very soft, and no longer suitable for eating. Many people would probably throw it away immediately, thinking it no longer has any value. But in reality, banana peels are an excellent source of nutrients for plants, especially orchids. Banana peels contain a high amount of potassium, along with many natural minerals such as phosphorus, calcium, and magnesium, all of which are essential for plant growth. So today I will use these banana peels to make fertilizer for orchids. First, use a knife to cut the banana peels into small pieces as shown in the video. Cutting the peels into small pieces increases the contact area between the banana peels and the water, allowing nutrients such as potassium, phosphorus, and minerals to be released more quickly and evenly during the soaking and preparation process. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. After that, place all the chopped banana peels into a clean glass cup. The next ingredient I use is coffee. Coffee contains many natural minerals beneficial for plants, such as nitrogen and potassium, which help support leaf development and improve the overall vitality of plants. Add about 2 spoons of coffee into the cup that already contains the banana peels. Next, pour about 500 milliliters of hot water into the mixture. The hot water will help the nutrients from the coffee and banana peels release more quickly. Finally, close the lid and let the mixture soak for about 2 hours before using it for the plants. After 2 hours, I use a spoon to stir the mixture thoroughly, so the nutrients from the banana peels dissolve completely into the water, making the solution more uniform and concentrated. Stirring thoroughly also helps distribute the active compounds evenly throughout the solution, allowing plants to absorb nutrients more effectively during use. Next, I strain out all the residue and keep only the clear liquid without sediment. This liquid is the natural nutrient solution that we will use to care for the plants, helping provide minerals, support stronger root development, and encourage greener, healthier leaves over time. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. Add 1 liter of clean water to dilute the coffee and banana peel solution. Now, we have completed the organic solution for the plants. First, Pour this solution into a cup, as shown in the video. First, use a gardening tool to gently loosen the soil around the base of the plant. This helps make the soil looser and more breathable, allowing air and water to penetrate the root system more easily. After that, gently water around the base of the tomato plant using the coffee and banana peel solution, avoiding pouring too much directly onto the leaves or stem. The coffee and banana peel solution helps provide natural nutrients to the soil, supports stronger root growth, greener leaves, and improves flowering and fruit production. After about 2 months of care, the small tomato plant gradually develops into a large, healthy plant with a stronger stem and noticeably greener leaves. The plant begins producing many small yellow flowers, then clusters of young tomatoes appear and gradually grow larger over time. From tiny green fruits, the tomatoes slowly turn into ripe red fruits hanging heavily on the plant. With proper care and regular maintenance, you can completely create a vibrant home garden filled with ripe red tomatoes and abundant fruit. For chili peppers. Does your family often eat chili peppers? Many people grow chili peppers at home, but after some time, the plants often grow slowly, produce fewer flowers, develop small fruits, or drop fruits while still immature. This is a very common problem when plants lack nutrients or when the soil gradually loses fertility. Therefore, supplementing with a natural nutrient solution, such as coffee solution, can help chili pepper plants become healthier, greener, and improve flowering and fruiting performance. The ingredient I use in this recipe is coffee. Coffee contains many natural minerals such as nitrogen, potassium, and trace elements beneficial for plants, helping support stronger root systems, greener leaves, and improving the plant's overall vitality. First, prepare a clean glass cup. Next, add 1 spoon of coffee into the cup. Then pour about 500 milliliters of hot water to make the coffee solution. Use a spoon to stir thoroughly until the coffee completely dissolves in the water. This helps the nutrients distribute evenly throughout the solution, allowing the plant to absorb them more effectively during use. Finally, close the lid and let the solution sit for about 1 hour. After about 1 hour, once the solution has completely cooled, strain out the residue and keep only the clear liquid without sediment. Next, add about 1 liter of clean water to dilute the solution. Now we have completed the natural nutrient solution for caring for chili pepper plants. First, pour the coffee solution into a specialized watering container. Before watering, use a small gardening tool to gently loosen the soil around the base of the plant. This helps make the soil looser, improves airflow, and allows the nutrient solution to penetrate deeply into the root zone instead of running off the surface. After that, gently water around the base of the plant, avoiding pouring too much directly onto the leaves. The coffee solution helps provide natural minerals to the soil, supports stronger root development, and helps the plant absorb nutrients more effectively. At the same time, the filtered solution without residue also allows plants to absorb nutrients more gently, while reducing the risk of compacted soil around the roots. You should use this solution about once per week to help support more stable growth, greener leaves, and improve flowering and fruiting. Besides watering around the base, you can also pour the coffee solution into a spray bottle and gently spray around the roots and leaves of the plant. This method helps distribute nutrients more evenly, supports cleaning dust from the leaves, improves leaf ventilation, and increases nutrient absorption through the leaf surface. At the same time, the plants will become fresher and healthier over time. If this video helps you better understand how to properly care for your plants, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss upcoming videos. Result: after about 30 days of using the coffee solution, the initially weak chili pepper plant gradually develops into a healthier and greener bush. The leaves become darker green, the stem becomes sturdier, and the branches grow denser than before. Young chili peppers also begin to grow larger and gradually turn red on the plant. These results show that when plants receive proper natural nutrients, they can recover strongly and grow more steadily over time. If you find this content helpful, do not forget to like, share, subscribe to Great Garden Channel, and turn on notifications to follow more simple yet effective plant care methods. See you again in the next videos.